paint this concrete floor with some sealant paint now. It's just to help keep the dust down, and also if I spill any oil and other sort of chemicals, it'd be easier to clean up. So I got this paint from Screwfix Leyland Trade, heavy duty floor paint, slate grey colour. See how I'll get on with that. Got 2 of these for 55 quid, 5 litre. That's one bay painted then, after I've cleared the rest of the stuff out that I put in here already. That's the trouble with having the shed done, is I was tempted to put stuff in it, but I've cleared it out again now. So just got to whack the paint down. Someone will probably comment now, oh, he's not using that roller right. That floor's getting paint on it, isn't it? I'm sure decorators have got their own techniques. Main thing is that the whole floor gets covered. Right, stop for a break there, I think. I'm about halfway now. I've done a bay and a half. And I've been around the edge with a brush all the way around. So I think I'll finish that by the end of today. I wasn't 100% sure I was going to actually paint the floor when the shed was being built, but I think it's worth doing. It'll reduce the dust and it'll make the floor easier to keep clean. So yeah, I reckon it's worth doing. Doesn't seem to be getting too fumy in here anyway. There's a bit of a draft coming through around the edges. I've had to close those doors because the dust was all blowing back in. I cleared it all out to start with a leaf blower, but I had to close them back up because the dust has just been blown back in anyway. Just get my money's worth out of the tin. It says it's hard wearing finish, resistant to mild chemicals. So hopefully that includes my leaky tractor. That's 2/3 done, and 1 tin of 5 litres gone. On to the second tin now. Last bit. All done in a day. Back's a bit stiff from using that short reach job. But that's it, 1 coat down. I'm on my second day of painting now. I'm doing my second coat now. I've just got enough paint, I think, to go over the whole floor again for the second coat. And like I said earlier, the shed's never going to be empty again while I've got it, so I might as well do it properly and put the 2 coats down. Need to retrieve the camera so I can't reach it. Right, that's the second coat mostly done then. I did the back half of the shed last night, and I've just finished doing the second coat on this front half then. And I've got enough paint just to do around the edges, just to go over that a second time. Thanks for watching, and catch you again in some other random video I'll be making.